Meaning of deductive.
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 Deductive. The term deductive refers to a logical reasoning process in which a conclusion is drawn based on a set of premises or assumptions. This approach starts with a general premise, and then develops specific conclusions that logically follow from that premise. Deductive reasoning is often used in mathematics, science, and philosophy to test and validate theories. The result of using deduction is an outcome that is considered to be logically necessary and certain, based on the premises that were used in the argument.